Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to control your PC or laptop from mobile phone. So I will be using Windows 7 to demonstrate this, but the procedure remains the same for Windows 10 as well. So the first and foremost thing that you have to make sure is that both the devices, that is the laptop and the phone, should be on same Wi-Fi connection. So if you are using this Wi-Fi connection on your laptop, then the same Wi-Fi connection you have to use on your mobile phone also. Only then you will be able to control your laptop. Now there are some settings that you need to do on your laptop. So what you have to do is just go to my computer, just right click on this white space and then just click on properties, and in the left hand side just click on remote settings. Now under remote tab and under remote desktop just choose this option, second one, allow connections from computers running any version of remote desktop. After this just click on the apply button and click on the OK button. Now just close this window and close this one also. Now we will move to our mobile phone. So now I am on my mobile phone. Now just click on this Play Store and in the search bar just type remote desktop. Now just click on this second app, Remote Desktop 8 from Microsoft Corporation, and then just click on this install button to install it. So the app is now installed. Just click on the app to open it. Just click on accept button and then just tap on this plus icon in the top right corner. Just choose this first option, desktop, and it will show all the laptops or the desktops that are currently available in the Wi-Fi network. So I am using this third laptop or the desktop. So just click on the desktop or the laptop that you are using, and after this just tap on the connect option in the top right corner and then just click on connect. Just type in the username of your desktop. So my username is Vatsal. Just type in the password of your account, desktop account, and then just click on this connect. So now you can see that I have successfully connected to my Windows 7 laptop. So this is how you can control your laptop or PC from your mobile phone. Now if you wish to disconnect, then just go to this start button and then just click on this arrow icon and then just click on this disconnect option. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.